Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to go from working your 9 to 5 full-time job to becoming a full-time successful swing trader. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. And if you guys are watching and you're like, who are you? My name is Carter. I'm a full-time 7-year trader in the stock market. And what I preach on my channel is this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is not an easy thing to do. A lot of people go to these videos expecting this glorious thing, this little secret that I have. No, there's no secret. There's no secret in the world of trading. It's like 99% of careers. The more you learn, the more you're going to earn, the more experience you have, the better off you're going to be. But there's some things that can help jumpstart your trading that can help you and save you time, energy, and overall money. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. Like, subscribe, and if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, check out our school. We have an amazing holiday sale going on, where I teach people how to find stocks, my strategies, my approach, everything when it comes with this world of trading. Check it out. Holiday sale for 51% off, code XMISS24. So check that out. And guys, let's jump into this. All right. So if you guys are watching this and you're like, Carter, I have a job. I work every day. I work 5 days a week, 8 hours a day. I want to leave my job and become a trader. Okay. You're off to the right start because you're ambitious. I give you that. But you have some work to do. So you have to have the mindset right now from this video of 2 years. 2 years down the road. Where are you going to be? Now, if you guys are like, oh my gosh, I can't wait 2 years. I got to find an easy way to get rich quick. Yeah, an easy way to get rich quick. That sounds promising. No, it doesn't. It does not. So the first thing you guys are going to do is to open up a paper trading account. I recommend MOOMOO, but there's a lot of them out there. And the reason why I say MOOMOO is because they offer real time. It's free. They also offer fraction shares if you guys want to mess around with that. But you need to get familiar with buying and selling stock, right? You need to take 1 year from today. You need to take 1 year and start paper trading, learning. So learning entails reading books, watching YouTube videos, taking courses. Yeah, a $10 book might not seem like much, but hey, if that $10 book can save you $200 in just basic information, it's worth it. If that $100 course like mine can save you time, can save you energy, can save you money, and help with strategies and finding stocks, it may be worth it, right? And yes, I am promoting my course, but there's a lot of other great courses out there. I recommend mine because mine focuses on swing trading, and we'll talk more about that here in a second. But taking a year and just literally trying your best, you'll be in a great spot, right? So during this time, you're going to paper trade, you're going to learn, and the last step is going to be to journal your trades. This is so important because journaling your trades, what this does is it helps you figure out in your strategy what's working and, more importantly, what's not working. So you can eliminate what's not working and focus on what's working. You guys maybe are watching this video and you're like, I want to day trade. I want to do it. I think I'm going to make good money off it. Do it. Try paper trading, day trading. It's hard. It's very difficult. You have to be actively in tune in the market, and you'll journal those trades and you'll go, well, okay, I lost money 90% of the time I day traded, but when I swing traded, I only lost money 50 or 60% of the time. Okay, maybe I should focus on that. Yes, that's what exactly you should do. So during this year, you need to experiment. You need to figure out what type of trader you are. You need to, literally just learn as much as you can. Okay. Year 2. Okay. Now, or rolling into year 2, I should say. So rolling into year 2 now, you have a good understanding of trading. You have a good understanding of the broker you're using, how to get in and out of positions, how to paper trade. So now here, what you need to do is start small. Okay. We built up the half of education, But the other half, actually over half, I personally think over half of trading is emotions. Emotions is one of those things where I can talk about it all I want, but unless you trade with real money, you're not going to understand what I'm saying. Because when you buy a stock, there's so many emotions that are actually involved. When you could enter a trade and think it's going to go up 20%, and then you immediately are down and you go, what do I do? What do I do? It's way different. It's way different than paper trading. But what you need to do, I'll give you a little pro tip on how you guys can help emotions. Build a checklist. Okay. So a checklist is a set of criteria that you guys use every single time before you enter a trade. So what this does, maybe the first thing is trends, then support, then what's the RSI or, an indicator, and then when's the earnings report? Are you entering this trade based on emotion? Yes or no? Why are you entering this trade? Where's your stop loss? Where's your profit? So what this does is it takes emotion out, because now you're going through a checklist. And if it doesn't go through that checklist, you just don't buy the stock. It's literally as easy as that. Now, it's hard. It's easier to say than to actually do. But year 2, guys, is gonna be starting small. You're gonna be trying to grow that $100 or $200 account. And yeah, maybe over the course of a year, you turn $100 into $150. Guys, that's really good returns, right? Once you have a profitable strategy, the only thing that's separating you from making more money isn't the strategy, it's just your account size. So as you compound your account, or maybe during that 2 years, you save up some money to put into trading, you'll be in a great spot, And so I always recommend building up, because it builds up your emotions as you go up with it. But nevertheless, year 1, learning. Year 2, is literally just going to be starting small, building up the emotional tolerance with trading. Now, you might be saying, Carter, how do I do this with a full-time job? Okay. I have some things that I did. I worked full time. I worked at a plumbing store. I was a project manager. And one of the things that I've done and I did is I used after hours to my advantage. So what this means is I would get home from work and I would look at stocks. Seems boring. It is, right? But being prepared is the most important thing I found to be, right? So what this entails is understanding, the stocks on your watch list. You're going to set alerts. So if they go up, you're notified. I had the luxury of being able to look at my phone, having access to a computer. And yeah, that really helped, because I could get in on positions. But if you don't, then use after hours to your advantage. You can still place trades after hours. It's just not the best fill in most circumstances, but you can still trade with a full-time job. Don't have the excuse of you can't. Use lunch breaks and breaks to your advantage to look at your phone and to look at the alerts, and just treat it like a career. If you treat it like a side hustle or this easy way to get rich quick, it's going to be a disaster, and I don't want to see that happen to you guys. So, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. I know it was a long one of me just talking, but I think it's really, really important to do. So we'll see you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to learn more, check out our school. I'll put links to MOOMOO, my trading journal, down below, all of that good stuff. So we'll see you guys in there. Like, subscribe, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and take care, everyone. Have a good one.